Hello everyone, today we will be discussing a major development in the world of technology. According to recent reports, China has surpassed the US in AI research and development investments, signaling a shift in global tech dominance. China has been heavily investing in AI research and development for the past few years, and their efforts are finally paying off. In 2021, China spent more on AI research and development than the United States, becoming the world's leader in this area. This development is significant because it signifies a shift in global tech dominance. For decades, the US has been considered the global leader in technology, with Silicon Valley at the forefront of innovation. However, with China's investments in AI, the balance of power is shifting. China's focus on AI is part of a broader strategy to become a world leader in technology and innovation. China's investments in AI are not limited to just research and development, but also in building infrastructure and attracting talent. The Chinese government has created a plan to build an AI industry worth $150 billion by 2030, and they are already making significant progress towards that goal. In conclusion, China's investment in AI research and development is a significant development that signals a shift in global tech dominance. While the US has been the leader in technology for decades, China's focus on AI is rapidly changing the game. It will be interesting to see how this development will impact the global tech industry and whether the US will be able to regain its position as the global leader in technology.